Good morning, all of you. I Razia Patan from Gnan Manju Vidyapit, standard 3rd. So, students, will start unit number 1. In that unit, we'll start form the bigger 4-digit number. Form the bigger 4-digit number. So, arrange 5, 2, 6, 0 to form the largest number. Let's solve an example. So, students, 5, 2, 6, 0 to form the large number. So we have to draw place value box. In that box we have to write here ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. And then 10,000 place has the largest value. We have to write in the 10,000 place largest value. So largest value we should write the digit having the highest value here. So highest value is, we will get the highest value by writing 6 the 1000 place. We have to write in the 6 in the 1000 place. Now we will write the second largest digits in the 100 place. Second largest digits is 5. The second largest digits is 5. So we have to write in the 5 in the 100 place. 5 we will go in the 100 place, and then now we will write the third largest digit, the tens place. So that digits is 2 is there. Third largest digits is 2. We have to write 2 in the tens place. Then the smallest digits will go in the ones place. Smallest digits is 0 is there. So we have to write 0 in the ones place. We will go. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write this in your maths notebook. Now students, next rearrange 4183 to form the largest number. So first of all we have to write place value box, 1000, 100, tens and ones. The largest digits will go in the 1000 place. So largest digits is 8. We have to write 8 in the 1000 place. The second largest digits will go in the 100 place. So second largest digits is 4. We have to write in the 100 place. The third largest digits will go in the tens place. So 3 we have to write in the tens place. And the smallest digits will go in the ones place. So 1 we have to write in the ones place. So the largest number is 8431 is there. Largest number is the 8431 is there. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write this in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next CRL. Form the smallest. अभी तक हमने जो देखा वो largest digit था, ठीक है. Now we'll form the smallest 4-digit number. अभी तक हम लोगों ने किया था largest 4-digit number. Now we'll start smallest 4-digit number. So in that we'll solve 25260 to form the smallest digit number is there. So first of all we have to draw the place value box. In that box we have to write 1000, 100, tens and ones. In that box we have to write 1000, 100, tens and ones. And then we have to find the tens thousand place has largest value. The thousand place has the largest value. Largest value is 5. But we should write the digits having a lowest value. The thousand place value is the largest value, that we know that. But here we have to arrange the smallest number. So we should write the digits having the lowest value here. So lowest value is, which one is there? 0 is there. Now let's check. If we write 0 here, the number will be a 3-digit number. If we are writing the lowest number is the smallest number is a 0. But if we are writing 0 in the thousand place, then this one is a 3-digit number, not a 4-digit number. So since we have to, we want a 4-digit number, we cannot write 0 here. अगर हमें 4-digit number चाहिए, so we will not write 0 in the thousand place. हम लोग thousand की place पे 0 नहीं लिखेंगे. We will not write 0 there. So now which number will write there? So let's we will get the lowest value by the written 2 in the thousand place. Now next number we have to find the next smallest number is a 2. So 2 we have to write in the thousand place. So we have to write here 2 in the thousand place. And then now we will write the second smallest digits in the 100 place. Second smallest digits is 0. Now we have to write the 0 here. That's it's okay. The second smallest digits is 0. Here we can write 0. Because after writing 0, it will still remain a 4-digit number. अगर हम 0 भी लिखेंगे, then the 4-digit number हमें हमारा जो है वो मिल जाएगा. That's the reason what we have to write here 0. Now students, now we will write the third smallest digit. Third smallest digit is 5. The third smallest digit is 5. So 5 we will go in the tens place. 5 we will go in the tens place. So we have to write here 5. Then we will write the remaining digit, which is also the largest digit in the ones place. So largest digit is the 6 is there. Largest digit is 6. So 6 will go in the ones place. We have to write here 6 in ones place. So students, our smallest digit is 2056 is there. Smallest digit is 2056 is there. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write this in your maths notebook. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start. Next. Now rearrange 4181 to form the smallest digit, smallest number. The number 1 is given twice. Make sure you use both the 1. Okay. Now see, here is some confusion here. 4181. So 2 times 1 is there. Now I will write that answer. So students, what we have to do? First of all, we have to draw the place value box. In that place value box, we have to write here 1000, 100, tens and ones is there. So 1. First of all, smallest digit is a 1. The smallest digits will go in the thousand place. So 1 is there. second smallest digits. Now one time we have to write 1 here. Now second time 1 we have to write in the 100 place. The second smallest digits will go in the 100 place. So we have to write ones in the 100 place. Then 4 is the third smallest digits. Now here is the 2 digits are remain, 4 and 8. So third smallest digit is 4. So third smallest digits will go in the tens place is 4 is there. And in the last, the largest digits will go in the ones place. Largest digits is 1. So our next smallest digits is 1148. 1148 is there. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write this in your maths notebook. You have to write in your maths notebook this. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start worksheet number 21. Now students, will start worksheet number 19. In that worksheet, ascending order in the numbers in the ascending order. So we have to write here 3622, 1087, 2787. So first of all we have to write ascending order is there. So we have to write the smallest number. Smallest number is a 1087, 2738, 3622 is there. Then next number is 8627, 9826, 2018 is there. So first of all we have to write 2018, 8627, 9826 is there. Then 5261, 5270, 5180, 5371 is there. So we have to write 5180, 5261, 5270, 5371 is there. Now students, this worksheet already we learned, so you have to complete this in your rough book. I'll give you 2 minutes. You have to write this in your rough book. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next question. Next portion is draw the blanks and arrange the numbers in the ascending order. So students, now 6,712, 2,176, 7,682, 7,676, 2,316 is there. So we have to draw 5 blanks first because of the 5 digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 digits are there. So we have to draw 5 blanks. After that we have to write the smallest number first. 2,176, 2,360, 6,712, 7,676, 7,682 is there. Like the second one also, 7,689, 9,803, 5,000, 4,587, 1,390. So we have to write 1,390, 4,587, 7,689, 9,803 is there. Then student 1,783 is there. 2,983 is there. 4,765 is there. So we have to write 1,783, 2,983, 4,765 is there. Now students, I'll give you 2 minutes. You have to write this in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope so work is complete. Now we'll start next worksheet. Now students, will start worksheet number 22. In that worksheet, we have to form the largest and the smallest number. So first of all, I'll explain you largest number and then we'll start smallest number. So rearrange 4, 1, 2 and 3 to form the largest number. So largest number, largest digits, 1000 place 4 is there. So we have to write 4 in the 1000 place. Second largest digits, 100 place, that is 3, we have to write in the 100 place. Third largest digits is the tens. So 2 in the tens place, we have to write 2 in the tens place. Smallest digits, 1 place is there, we have to write 1 in the 1 place is there. So largest number is a 4321 is there. 4321 is there. Smallest number. So smallest digits, 1000 place is 1. 1 is we have to write in the 1000 place. Second smallest digits, 100 place. 2 we have to write in the 100 place. Third largest digits, 10 place. 3 we have to write in the tens place. Largest digits, 1 place. 4 we have to write in the ones place. So smallest number is 1234 is there. 1234 is there. We have to write here. Now students, I'll give you 2 minutes. You have to write this in your maths notebook. You have to write this information in your maths notebook. I'll give you 2 minutes. You have to complete your work, everyone. Okay students, now next question is how to form the smallest number if the one of the digits is 0. So students, now see, rearrange 0, 3, 1 and 2 to form the smallest 4-digit number is there. So by the above method we rearrange the digit from the smallest number. But if we are writing the 0 first, then what will happen is that there is a 3-digit number is there, because we are not consider the 0 here, correct? So 3-digit number is there. So here what we have to do is the 3-digit number 0, 1, 2, 3 is the same number 1, 2, 3 is there. Now we have to switch the number. What we have to do? We have to switch the number, switch the digits in the thousands and the hundred place. That means we have to write 1 in the thousand place and 0 we have to write in the 100 place. So that number should be 1023 is there. So this is the number, is the smallest number. This number is the smallest smallest number is there. Then rearrange the digits to make the largest 4-digit number is there. So 3, 1, 9 and 6 is there. So we have to write first of all place value box. That is, we have to write ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Largest number we have to write. So we have to write the largest digits 9. Then we have to write 6, 3 and 1. So next largest number is the 9631 is there. 0, 5, 2 and 3 is there. So students, what we have to do? We have to write the largest number first. So 5 we have to write first. Then 3, 2 and 0. So 5320 is the next largest number. Same like this. 3, 1, 0 and 8 is there. So we have to write the smallest number first. 0 is the smallest number, but if we are writing the 0 first, then there is only 3-digit number is there. Here we have to write the 4-digit number. So first of all we have to write the 1. So 1 we have to write in the thousand place, 0 100 place, 3 tens place, 8 ones place. 1038 is there. 1038. Next number is 1038 is there. Then 1100 tens and ones is there. So first of all we have to write 1, then 4, then we have to write 6 and 7. 1, 4, 6 and 7. So the next number is 1467 is there. Now students, this worksheet, now your homework is you have to write the worksheet number 20 and worksheet number 21 and 22 in your maths notebook. You have to write this worksheet in your maths notebook and send it to me, that worksheet, before 3 o'clock in a WhatsApp group. Your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 21 and 22, and that worksheet you have to send it to me before 3 o'clock in a WhatsApp group. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Bye everyone. Have a nice day.